back to my channel. So I just came from the Dollar Tree and I'm on my way to pick up Avery, and I wanted to do a haul real quick, so I just stopped and I'm gonna do a haul real quick. So I just want to show you, it's been a long time since I've done a Dollar Tree haul, so I just want to show you guys really quickly what I got. So I got some Crunch and Munch because I was craving that. I actually went to TJ Maxx first and I saw like a version of that there and I was like, oh, I want that. So I got a baby shower card and some birthday cards that I needed to get, and thank God I remembered. Then I got, this is one of the things I went for, but I got these cosmetic makeup bags, and they are so cute with all these different colors, and these are for gifts. I've already bought a few of them and I just wanted to have more because teacher appreciation is coming up and things like that, friends' birthdays and all that, and I can monogram them, personalize it with their name or a nice saying or something. And I thought it was a cute size bag too, and a cute little, you know, just a cute little gift. So I bought 10 of those. They actually just had 10 just like that there, and I was like, yep, taking those. I bought 10 last time that I went to. I got these no slip grip, gentle to the hair elastics, and they feel like rubbery kind of. I got these really for Avery's hair because every time I take her scrunchie out, she kind of like says it hurts. So I feel maybe I'll try these. Maybe these won't hurt her as much. We'll see. I also got this notepad for my grocery list on the fridge. It's a magnetic one. I have bought one of those in forever because my friend sent me a bunch of them and they literally just ran out. So I needed to buy some more. I feel like you could really see the purple in my hair from this angle. Then I bought this. It was a thing of copy paper or printing paper, 92 sheets of paper for $1. I thought that was pretty good. Oh, not 92 brightness, 75 sheets of paper for $1. I thought that was a pretty good deal, just to have for if our paper runs out, we have like an extra. Then I got these scissors. This is another reason why I went to the Dollar Tree, because we use these scissors, but we put them in the dishwasher and just washing them and stuff, they don't last too long, so I'm always buying some more. They last a couple months. I got this. Every day I write a to-do list, and it's literally just about the same thing every day, but I just have it like, I don't know. So I bought this because I can put a pen or leave this one and I can just write it, take it out, scratch it out, have this with me in my purse so I can write it during the day, and then when I get home I put it on top of the counter and I have my list there of everything I want to do. I got these 2 shirts for the kids. Yes, Dollar Tree has shirts. Most of the shirts I make for them are from the Dollar Tree, but Autism Awareness Month is coming up and it's lighted up blue also for autism, so I figured the shirt I'm gonna make for them, I will put it on the blue and then they can wear those to the lighted up blue night, so it's like double whammy. I got these chip clips because John just said yesterday we needed some more chip clips. What else did I get? Is that it? And I got these just because they looked good. Yeah. I think that was it. And then I went to TJ Maxx, and I've been wanting a new lunchbox, and I wanted one that has like, so you can hold the water, and online they're like $40. I'm like, let me see what the TJ Maxx has, and this one was actually 20, so that was good. And it comes with 3 containers and the water bottle, and it's super cute. I didn't want a light one that was white because I didn't want it to get dirty. My other one is gray, but this was really the only decent looking one that caught my interest, but the bottom's black, so that's good. And that was it. So that is my little Dollar Tree and I guess TJ Maxx haul in the car. I haven't done one of these in forever, and I didn't even take off my seatbelt, so now I'm gonna go pick up Avery. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And hopefully nobody saw me and thought I was weird just stopping here and talking to myself.